Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of the year. We're going to start off with installing the carbon MIATA wide body kit. We're going to start by removing the screws into our existing over fenders, which we have on the car. These were just temporary over fenders because I wanted to run the wheels that I got. There was a bit of love, there was a little bit of hate on the over fenders because they are universal, and we did use tiger seal to seal that in. But overall I thought it kind of looked nice on the car, but we're going for the authentic wide body kit from Carbon MIATA this time. Right, we've taken the over fenders off, we've taken the sealant off, so we've got a little bit of sealant still left, but that's nothing serious. A few little holes that we used to self-tappers. It took a bit of paint off here, which is like the most horrible bit, but we're going to fix this. Yeah, all the sealant's off, back to where it was cut at the front here. As you can see, we sealed it so there's no rust issues. We might use something to just touch up the inside of the exposed metal, just so we can make sure we're not going to get any rust. And yeah, that's what she's looking like. Now we're going to start from the back, because the front body kit, front bit of the body kit needs a bit of cutting because it's not sitting flush. I'll show you guys in a sec. Testing the rear now, and this is kind of what we're coming up with. I'm not sure if I need to move it a little bit closer to where the door is. A little bit lower where the line is. Adam, show them the piece. So we got some. So we had to sand this bit down a little bit, so it could sit flush with the rear, and we put some double-sided tape on it, 3M double-sided tape, and we're gonna line it up. So we have the rear bits finally on. It's stuck on double-sided tape. We've had a little bit of a challenge here to smoothing this bit down here, but we've got it blended in as much as possible. Don't want to eat into the fiberglass. And yeah, we're gonna drill and rivet it now, and we're using rivets because we want it in permanently. We're not using riv nuts because we're never actually gonna take it off, and because it's connected to the rear bumper, the rear piece. If we ever need to take the rear bumper off, we'll just take that bit off. So that's why we're using rivets. Like too low. I can't drive anywhere in North London like this, so I need to raise it up. The rear looks nice. It's drivable like that, but the front, no. So I'm gonna have to raise it up quite a bit. So yeah. So guys, this is day 3. We're working on the body kit of the car. We've had problems with the front over fenders, very just didn't line up to the body of the car at all, so we had to cut it, make it shorter, and if you could come a little bit close, you can see that there is a gap now. Now that gap, we're going to fill it up with expanding foam, and we're going to sand it, and we're going to mold the body kit onto the car. Although it's riveted, we are going to mold everything onto the car. And so yeah, this is the process of what we're doing. We're going to tape everything we want to have the expanding foam onto to get the shape, and then we're going to sand it, cut it, fill it, it should be ready for paint. It looks like with the foam poking out the fenders to clear our gap. Bit of a messy one over here, so we're gonna sand this all down, put some filler on there, smoothing that out, and then it should be ready for some paint action.